Hi, in this video we are going to implement functional style Java 8. For that we create a optional. Its type is practice. Now first create a practice instance. You can initialize with null. Optional practice. Now practice. Now I want to check if present or else. What's object? Add SOP. Object is found or second is add SOP for object is null. Now I run this program and check out practice as object or null. Now we can check. Currently exception is stored there. Now I run this program. Now currently object is null, so it is handle if present then object is found, this block is execute, and if object is not found initialized with value then object is null. So this way we can handle situation with functional style Java 8.